Hey everybody, welcome back to Vanland. So last weekend I was on a 3-day van trip with Backroad Van Adventures along the Oregon coast, and it was so beautiful and amazing. We're going to share that with you guys soon. But one of the things that happened on the trip is that I met a couple who was driving a 170 Sprinter, and they had the most amazing interior on their van. The design and layout wasn't like anything that I had ever seen before. It was really actually very inspiring to me to see some new concepts in a van. So I asked them if we could do a van tour so I could share it with you guys, and they were kind enough to say yes. So we're about to give you guys that van tour, but I wanted to mention really quickly before we start, we did have some problems with the camera and we lost some of the resolution on part of the tour. I still think it works and I really want to show it to you guys, so we're going to give it to you anyways. So let's jump into Eric and Marjorie's van. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, because this was just a really inspiring van and I think you guys are gonna love it.
Welcome in.
Amazing 170 van. Are you kidding me? All right. So here we have it, the folks that get to enjoy this amazing van.
Hi, my name is Eric and I'm from Quebec City, Quebec, Canada.
Mon nom est Marjorie Beaupré. Je suis également de Québec.
What sold me about this concept when I first walked into the van was the windows. So if you notice, this is this is a 170, but it has full window package from Mercedes-Benz. So everything is counter height, and then you have the windows all around you. So when you're sitting in the van, you have like a 360 view around you, and you really don't feel trapped like in other vans that I've seen before. And that was probably the number one selling point for me, for this van. The other thing for us is that, like Marjorie said earlier, we're hikers, and so we don't carry bikes and things like that. So we don't really need the space in the back where the people will store their bicycles or things like that. So what we wanted, since we're living in it, was more living space. Mm-hmm. So as you can see, there's a nice living space here in the back where we can have a nice dinner, or just have a movie night if we want, or relax in the afternoon. So that was another big selling point for us. It's very comfortable and a lot of room in the back. The opposite to this, like the negative about this, is we have to make our bed every single day. But being on the trip for like a year like that, it's just part of the routine. So it's not bothering us at all. The other point that we also liked a lot was the cabinetry and the forms, a lot of curves, and the height, and it's good to look at it. It's nice. It's a good design, but it's also very functional. So when I'm at the counter, my head is not in the cabinet. I have a lot of headroom. And there's also a lot of storage all around the van. So that's another point that we like a lot. But there's also a couple of other things that we really like about the van. One, I guess that would be probably the second thing that I like the most about it is the bathroom. You don't see a bathroom, yeah, that's the trick. So in other vans that we visited, there's a bathroom there, and having a shower in the bathroom for us was very important since we're living in it. So when we saw this, so if you want me, I'll do you a little demonstration. So the bathroom is hidden underneath this countertop here. So we just press this button, and the shower rises. C'est pour aller ouvrir la porte.
Quelques secondes.
So if you want, Marjorie's gonna open the door if you want to take a look inside. It's pretty roomy, and it's very functional. That's yes. What I like the most about it. And like I was saying earlier, you don't have the shower in your view all the time. You can put it down and use it for counter when you're cooking or whatever. So it's very, very practical. This is a big selling point for us. So once you're done, you just put it down. Make sure that the curtain is inside.
Yes.
And that curtain dries up very fast, so it's no problem. And if you want, you can take it off and wash it. So that was a big point for us. Another, if when we want to make the beds, so we just push on this button here, and bed comes out. So it makes 2 single beds, but then when we make the bed, it's 2 single beds, like with the sheets. But then once we're done making the bed, we just put them together and it makes a queen size bed. It is very comfortable, yes. So that's it. All the windows have shades on them, and this is also a very nice concept where you don't have to put shades up or anything. We have shades like this, you just put them down. Oh. It's that easy. Yes. Nice. Yes. And once you're done, you just put it up. Like that. Another feature that we like with this concept, which this is a little different, is we can have movie nights if we want. So this bed, if I press this button, becomes a zero gravity seat. So if you are driving on the coast, you can back up towards the ocean, open the back windows, and look at the ocean, which is something that we love to do. This is another thing that we liked a lot. And then for...
what do you want to model the seats?
Oh yes, all right.
Yes.
Wow.
And then for movie night, then we have the TV that comes out here, where we hook up our iPhone or whatever and download a movie and watch a movie. This is also a neat concept. What I like about it is the person that designed this is very practical. So everything that he designed is very easy to use. Yeah. And the other thing that I didn't show you is tu peux te rentrer tout par là-bas.
Mais ça va faire du bruit.
Pas grave. And you can move this even if you're sitting in it. Makes a little squeaking noise. But someone could be sitting on the zero gravity, and the other person could just take the table out and unfold it like this, and you can work there, you can have lunch or whatever. And this table comes out also, so it makes 2 tables like that. So you don't have to like a post and the table that you have to take out and whatever you want to have use the tables. And like this, you just close them down. This is how after a hike or whatever, this is where I sit. Marjorie is over there cooking a little something, whatever. So, and then I have full window view of all around, like 360 view around me. So this is my spot. And this a little bit more on the technical side, if you want. For cooking, we have a induction cooktop with 2 different burners that we like a lot. It's a very easy and very efficient. And as far as heating and water heater, it's all diesel. So we don't carry any propane. Another feature that we like also is that we had a water filter system installed. Yes, so we always have drinking water out of our reservoir. So this is a feature that we like a lot. So we're like going hiking, we always bring water with us, so we always have water available. 40 gallons of fresh water and 40 gallons of gray or gray and black. So there's only one reservoir for gray and black. The power system. We have three solar panels for a total of 525 watts, if I'm not mistaken, and 2 lithium batteries for a total of 440. And it's plenty. When I first got into the van life, running out of energy was my big concern. But with this system, we don't. We've been on the road, like I said, 8 months. We haven't hooked up to power once. So it's working perfectly for us. So as what we learned is it's the water management that you need to be more aware of than the power. The power, we never run out of power. A couple of other comfort that we had installed was heated floors. This is something I like a lot, and then the finish on the floor also is something I like. The material. And we have air conditioning that we don't use that often, honestly. It's Dometic.
On utilise beaucoup les...
Another feature that is really interesting, if you see there's no vent or max fans installed. So that's the reason we were able to have the air conditioning and the 3 solar panels on top. But we have an air exchanger system built in. So we have 2 different little vents there that takes air from the exterior and brings it in. And then if we turn this one on, this will take air from the inside and bring it outside. So it's recirculating the air. So that's what we use most of the time when it's too hot. The builder told me that you will not be using the air conditioning that much with that system. And I still wanted air conditioning, but he was right. I should have listened to him. But we have air conditioning now, so once in a while we use it. So, like I said, this is a 1-year trip. So we have our clothes and everything we need for 1 year, all in the van, and we still have storage room available. So I can show you if you want. Here, in the back here is all of our bedding. So all of our bedding that all fits in those 2 cabinets. And then this is my side. Hopefully it's clean. Yeah. So my clothes are on this side, and Marjorie's clothes are on this side. And we have storage underneath the 2 beds.
Attention, Eric.
Yeah. Oh, like this.
Merci. Ouais.
Which is very helpful. And in the kitchen area is, of course, on top here we have. This is more of the like our hygiene products here for us, and this is for food. And we opted for not to have a microwave, because there was an option where we could have a microwave here, but we opted for more drawers, so more storage. Microwave we don't really need. Yeah, and the fridge.
La poubelle aussi.
Yeah, another nice little feature also is the garbage that it's hidden in here, so it's very practical. Yes, it is a sound system that is hooked up to the Mercedes-Benz sound system, so you can have music in the back.
Wow.
On
So some little features, power system.
Yeah, so another feature that we like also is the screen here, which is very easy to use. Works almost like a screen that you have in your house. So when we're parked, we like to have the door open and keep the this, and then open it up. Everybody that has a van has different needs, and for us this is what we wanted, and we're very happy with it. And other people want to have like a garage in the back, and and that's fine, But for us, this was the design that we liked. Yes.
Okay, thank you, Eric. Yeah. Thank you, Marjorie.
Thank you.
And all right, signing off. Thank you guys so much. This was absolutely one of the most stunning builds I've ever seen, so I wanted to share it. We've got about 40,000 followers on our YouTube channel.
All right.
Okay.
All right, guys, signing off from this amazing van.
See you on the road.